Hello there, Lianyu Agricultural Machinery Company Limited, located in Rancho City, Hebei Province, China, is a manufacturer specializing in the production of hydraulic, reversible plows and power harrows. With 8 years of development, our company has developed from a small factory with only a few people into a modern production enterprise. With more than 60 people, our company adopts high-standard raw materials and advanced production technology to produce the reversible plows that meet the requirements of the market. Dealers all over the country flock to buy our products. In 2024, the leader of the company decided to start aggressively exploring the international market, and we sincerely hope to develop trade links with friends around the world on the basis of equality and mutual benefits.